in that way.
Alright, so in this video, the intake side has been ported. Now I just need to polish it. So this is the whole different setup, different stage. As you can see, it's pretty rough. So I'm gonna try to make it smooth. This is the intake side. I know not to polish it and make it too smooth because you want air to kind of have a little bit of turbulence to get mixed with the fuel and all. But I'm freestyling it. On the road for more horsepower or bad combination, but who cares? Let's do it. Alright, this is the first pass. As you can see, it cleaned up pretty good. I try to do light just to kind of see how aggressive it is. I did use a 80 grit chingadera. Pretty smooth compared to the just ported one raw. Let me see. This angle right here. Yeah. You kind of see the waves right there versus here. See how smooth this one is versus this one. You can still see kind of wavy. There you go, you can see. But I'm gonna keep going. Hopefully I don't mess this up. I got carried away and forgot to record every step, but this is where I'm at right now. Pretty much sanded down kind of smooth, not 100% smooth. I'm only gonna polish the exhaust side. The intake side, I think it's pretty good. I'm gonna use kind of a rough. I'm gonna try to clean up the dividers right here. See how it's fat and thick? Try to make it kind of like a knife edge. And try to make it equal. So you can kind of tell how this side has more than this side. So yeah, guys. This is the exhaust side. It's more shinier because I was hitting it more with the sanded disc versus the intake, so it is smoother. But same thing. I'm gonna clean those up, the dividers. Get them a little thinner and more knife edge. But not bad for a first timer. Like I said, I don't have no tools to measure if I'm doing it very equal. I'm just freestyling it by hand. I may not gain horsepower, or I may gain, but we'll see. I'm just comparing it how the engine was. So as far as that, I think I'm in a better position, better condition. But yeah, it's part of the build. Alright, as you can see, I'm working on the dividers. I'm getting them thinner, little by little. I kind of want to leave it like that. I don't want to make it too thin. I don't know where's the border or where's the crucial point, but I kind of like how this is coming out. As you can see, kind of tough from this one. Still pretty thick. Versus this. So it's a long process, so I'm gonna try to do all of one and then I'll come back and check with y'all. There you go, the dividers. The exhaust. That was a pain in the ass. 10 out of 10, do not recommend. There it goes. I'm gonna swap it over for the intake. Alright, this is the intake side. Dividers. Yeah, but that's the progress.